Hello, this is Noreen from Joy Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, please click that subscribe button and the little bell, and you'll be notified when my videos release. Also, I give away the demo card, so if you're a first-time subscriber, put your email in the comments, and I'll email you back and let you know if you won the card. Also, make sure you watch the video all the way through, because you never know. I might give the card away to anyone, or I might be doing card kits or swaps or something. So anyway, now let's go make a card. Okay, this is part 2 of my video. The first one was last Thursday, and now it's Sunday. So I'm going to show you all the cards I made with the alcohol ink painting technique. Now this background was made with Flirty Flamingo, Magenta, and So Saffron. And then I just used some dyes. I used like Wild Rose, Always Dyes. The ink that I used for stamping was Magenta. And so this one's a really pretty little card. So that's one. Here's the second one, and the background color is Daffodil, Cinnamon Cider, and Pumpkin Pie. And then I used the succulent stamps and die cutted them out. Now the succulents I used soft sea foam, mint, macaroon, garden green, and then the little tips here are rich razzleberries. And then so I used the potted succulent dies and did the inside. So that's card number 2. The third Mother's Day card, and I die cutted the potted succulent die. The background on this one is Pool Party, Old Olive, and Bermuda Bay. It made such an interesting color to it. So, and then all the Happy Mother Day die cuts are from Word Wishes. So here's card number 3. Here's card number 4. Now the background on this one, which I really like, is Misty Moonlight, Seaside Spray, and Highland Heather. And then I used the Art Gallery die and stamps, and this was really pretty. This is Magenta Madness, Gorgeous Grape. So this is card number 4. Card number 5, I didn't write down on the paper what color combination it was, but I'm pretty sure it's Highland Heather, Shaded Spruce, and Balmy Blue. There might even be a little, no, that's Balmy Blue. And then I used the Always and Forever stamp and dies. Also, everything that says Happy Mother's Day is from Well Said. So this is a really cool card number 5. Card number 6 and 7, I actually took one sheet of the vellum paper and I made 2 cards. Now this background was a Seaside Spray, Misty Moonlight, and then I threw in some of the white, and I cut it in half, and I used the rectangle stitch frames. I used Whale Time. I used the Seabed 3D embossing folder and a Whale of a Time DS paper, and of course I put together that Happy Mother's Day out of Well Said. So this is card number 6 and 7. And I also want to say in number 6 and 7, this mom down here, that is from Shark Frenzy. There's a I Love Mommy, and I just colored the mom. So you can make words out of other words. So that's what I did here. Here's number 8 and 9, and these are, I made 2 that were really similar in colors. They're Flirty Flamingo, Magenta Madness, and So Saffron, and you can see how they're really close. They're the same colors, but they're 2 different sheets of paper. So I just used the ornate layers and ornate borders, and of course Word Wishes for the cutouts, and then I just did this inside, and I also did the edge of the paper as well, and used the 2020-2021 ribbon and the enamel dot. So this was really a pretty card, so I really like number 8 and 9. Here's card number 10. I like this one as well. Now if you notice that all my vellum, I have most of them so far backed in white. If I put another color here, it would change the top completely, but I liked how the white worked with this. So this of course is the Word Wishes dies, the many medallions. The colors on this vellum are Rocco Rose and Petal Pink. And then I just did Well Said inside. So this is card number 10. Now card 11, 12, and 13, I did the same scheme because I'm actually doing all these cards because I have a card swap. And I have two groups of Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. We all like do a card swap. We do mystery cards. We do all kinds of stuff. So if you ever want to be a demonstrator, I've got a huge group that we all just like do really well. And we've got a blog also as we just started. But this card is really neat. These two here are Poppy Parade, Flirty Flamingo, and So Saffron. And here's another one that I separated from the pack here. I believe it's Real Red and Shaded Spruce. So this was really nice. And then of course the Daisy Lane, the Large Punch, and the dies are Word Wishes. And the insides, I just made them real simple. So these were really pretty, but I had to make some because I had to make 17 cards because not only my card exchange, but also I give away one of the demo cards, just one. So the first person who puts their email in the comments, I'll email back and let you know if you won the card. So this is 11, 12, and 13. Now this card is actually for my daughter. I only need one Mother's Day card because my parents are gone and my husband's parents are gone, and I happen to be a grandma, yay! So this is for her, and I thought it was really cool. The background is Rocco Rose and Petal Pink. The stamp, of course, is Treasures of Life, and I've got Well Said, and I've got Word Wishes on here. So I really like this card, so this is going to my daughter, so you can't win this one. Here's number 15, and this one was really cute. I decided to use the Birds and More here and cut the branch in, of course, Birds and More, and then I've got the dies up here. This one was really cute. The colors here are Seaside Spray, Misty Moonlight, and I threw a little bit of that white in. So this is card number 15. So I really liked how this card turned out. And this one, when I did the alcohol ink, I did the Old Olive, and then the Pool Party, and then the Bermuda. So it kind of looks like this is the grass, so that's why I put the flower on here. And of course I used Floral Gallery and Bermuda Bay and the ink. So I really love this one because it was just kind of neat. So here's number 16. Here's the last card, number 17. And this background is Seaside Spray, Highland Heather, and Misty Moonlight. And of course I used the butterflies, and the butterflies I just stuck to the Highland Heather and the magenta, soft seafoam and Old Olive on the leaves. I did the Word Wishes die, and then the inside Well Said, and then I put the other part of the butterfly, because this is actually two, and I cut this other one on top. So this is number 17. Well, here's all 17 cards. The first person that emails in the comment, I'll email you back and let you know if you won the demo card. And if I get to you before I send out my my card swap, I will let you pick which one, except for the one that goes to my daughter. And that'll do it for me. Thanks, bye.